something that I get when I work with larger organizations like corporates, big nonprofits, enterprise level clients is, Sam, either can we do website backups? Do we need website backups? Or we need website backups? And all of them come down to, okay, like Squarespace doesn't do this normally, but you can do this. So there's a few things that we can do to get everything really clear. Squarespace does not make backups of your website. It doesn't periodically store them in any sort of database, on any servers. It doesn't have backups. So that's that out the way. In terms of what you can do and what I can do for my clients, there's two things. The first one is you can simply go onto your site and manually duplicate the site. If you or your website designer is a Squarespace Circle member, once they duplicate the site, that site gets 6 months on a free trial. If they're not, you get 2 weeks. But essentially, you can then set the cadence at which you want to back up the site. So let's say you only get 2 weeks. You know, if you want up-to-date backups with a non-expired website, then you have to duplicate every 2 weeks. If it's a 6 months, then duplicate every 6 months. Or you have a bit more flexibility where you can say, okay, well, we have 6 months, but we want to make a duplicate or a backup every month or every 6 weeks. You know, whatever it is, or whatever time frame you want to do those backups. If you want to do every day, you could do that too. You can have unlimited amounts of backups in your account. You'll just have one live site, but you'll have all of these trial sites in your dashboard. So that's what you can do in a normal situation. This won't apply to really anyone or potentially no one watching this. But what I can do for my clients as a Squarespace enterprise partner is I can have backups of websites made. And I believe Squarespace can then make backups for these websites because with enterprise, these are, you get a lot more features than your usual Squarespace dashboard. It's a completely separate dashboard, almost a different system, lots of different features. So if you are a large organization watching this video and you want to know how to make a backup, you can do the first option, or you can drop me a line and I can put you onto my Squarespace enterprise dashboard and we can work out a package around that. That's probably the first time I've ever done like hard promo in a video, but that is just another option out there and it would be remiss if I did not mention it. So in terms of the first option, I'll quickly show you how you can do that on the site now. So we're on my account dashboard here, and you can see, just FYI, that by Crawford has an enterprise dashboard here with a lot of different clients on. Now, enough flexing of the enterprise dashboard. Let's go back to personal. Let's say this is Sam's new nonprofit, which it is, and I want to make a duplicate of the site. All I need to do is click the 3 dots, click duplicate website, and within probably less than 10 seconds, there will be a duplicate made. So let's see. There we go. And then if I search Sam's non-profit, I always seem to get sausage fingers when I start doing these. There we go. Sam's. Sam's new non-profit. Let's give that a refresh. And let's see. Sam's new non-profit. There we go. So you can see we now have a full backup of the site that's been made. And what you can do, you just sort of come up then, but in the site title, you can give this a date. So you can say backup, and then today's date is the 28th of Jan, so 28/01/25. Or if you're in America and you do the date completely incorrect, you can say 01/28/25 and then save. And then what happens is when you go back into your dashboard, you'll see that you have your sites. You've got the main site, and then you've got the backup, and you can see when that backup was made. So those are your options. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website or put you on my enterprise dashboard, then get in touch using the links in the description.